Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Welcome back to another new toy show videos. Wow, many colorful nice toys. Wow, soda can, red and green. Wow, nice. Big helicopter, mini excavator. Wow, mini CNGs. Wow, very beautiful toy collection. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a red and black combination mini excavator. Wow, nice. Nice mini excavator. Wow, very beautiful. Wow, it is a yellow and black combination mini excavator. Wow, wow, nice. Wow, it is a yellow combination mini CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, wow, nice. Very beautiful. Wow, it is a mini auto rickshaw, pink color, white and pink combination. Wow, nice. Wow, wow, it is a big soda can transported racing car. Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Wow, mini RC car, red color. Wow, nice. Wow, very beautiful. Wow, so small, cute. 90 racing car. Wow, nice. Wow, very beautiful. Wow, another racing car. Wow, nice. Yellow color racing car. Wow, wow. Big helicopter, blue and white combination. Wow, nice. Wow, nice helicopter. Wow, red color soda can transporting car. Wow, so gorgeous. Wow, wow, nice, very nice. Another green and black combination dump truck. Wow, nice, nice. Wow. Thanks for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.